Good morning, everybody. I am back again with some more Lego math. I just love to say Lego math, and you all know that math is one of my favorite things, so I'm excited to do another math lesson. Before I do your math lesson, today's Thursday, so that means that it is Thankful Thursday. So I just want you to take a minute and think about how things are going in your life and what are the things that you are thankful for today. So I am just thankful for the sunshine and being able to drink a cup of tea out on my deck and to not have to see the snow anymore. So that's what I'm very thankful for today. If you would like to share what you're thankful for, you can put it in the comments below. All right, so our Lego math today is to do with subtraction. So it's similar to addition, and we're going to use our tens and ones again, which I made out of Lego. All right, so our questions are over here. We are going to start with 25 subtract 12. All right, so I need to make 25. So once again, I need to think about how many tens and how many ones I need. So I need 2 tens and I need 5 ones. All right, so I need to subtract 12. Should I do my tens or my ones first? Let's think about this. What do I always do first? Yes, I always do my ones first. So I am going to take away 2 of my ones, and I'm going to take away 1 of my tens. So I took away 12. All right, so I am left with 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to write my answer down here. Let's see if it looks right. 5 take away 2, does that equal 3? Yes, it does. 2 take away 1, does that equal 1? Yes, it does. All right. Our first one is done. Let's move on to the next one. So our next one is 47. 47. All right, so I need 4 groups of 10. Then I need 7 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. This time I'm going to take away 31. Should I start with the tens this time? No, I should not start with the tens. I should start with the ones. I always start with the ones. All right, so I'm going to take away 1 1, and I'm going to take away 3 tens. And let's see what I am left with. I am left with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my answer is going to go over here. All right, let's see if this looks right. 7 take away 1, does that equal 6? Yes, it does. 4 take away 3, does that equal 1? Yes, it does. All right, so we can check our answers ourselves, and we know that our answers are correct. All right, our next couple are a little bit trickier. All right, so this first one is 60. Do I have any ones in this question? I do not, so I'm going to start with my 6 tens, and I don't need to have any ones. And I'm going to take away 35. So should I take away my tens or take away my ones first? I always start with my ones. All right, I think we have a problem. I'm not sure how I can take away 5 ones when I don't have any. So if you think back to yesterday, we had to make a trade. So we are going to do the same thing. We're going to make a trade. It's just the opposite direction because I need to get some ones. All right, so in order to make a trade, it needs to be equal. So I'm going to take this one and make a trade for ones. So I have 10 ones there, and I traded for this guy. All right, do I still have 60? Yeah, I still have 60. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and 60. I still have 60. It just looks different. Now, can I take away my 5? Sure I can. It just got a lot easier, didn't it? All right, so I can take away these 5. Now I can move over to my tens. How many tens do I need to take away? So I need to take away 3 of these guys, and let's see what I'm left with. I am left with 25. All right, so I'm going to write my answer down below. All right, 0 take away 5. Does that equal 5? No. So what we need to do is we need to show what we actually did. So remember when we made our trade, we didn't have 6 10s anymore. We made a trade, so we only had 5 10s and we had 10 1s. That still makes 60. 5 10s and 10 1s still make 60. So if I had 10 take away 5, would that equal 5? Yes, it would. And then when I moved to my 10s, I had 5 take away 3. Would that equal 2? Yes, it would. So there's my answer of 25. All right, let's try one more. All right, so we are going to start with 41. And this is one of those questions that might actually just be easier for you to do it in your head by starting with a lower number and just counting up to the higher one. But if we didn't realize that, to write down our answer quickly, then we could do it with our Lego math. And Lego is more fun anyways. So I need 41. And I'm going to take away 36. So I remember from the last 3, I need to start with the 1s. So I need to take away 6. Do I have a problem? All right, what do I need to do so that I can take away 6 1s? I need to make a trade, don't I? So to make a trade, I need to make sure that it's an even trade. So I'm going to take 10 of these guys and make my trade. All right. So I still have 41, it just looks different. So I have 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 41. I still have 41, just looks different. All right, so now I can take away my 6 because I'm doing the 1s first. 4, 5, 6, I can take those guys away. And then I can take away my 3. All right, looks like my answer is 5. I didn't even need to count them because I can just recognize that that looks like it is a group of 5. All right, so let's see. 1 take away 6, does that equal 5? No. But remember, that's not really what we started with, was it? We needed to make a trade. So we had 3 10s and 11 1s after we made our trade. So 11 take away 6, that will equal 5. 3 take away 3, well, that will equal 0. If you like, you can put a 0 here, but you don't have to. All right, good job on your math today. All right, so here is another little rhyme for you to remember. So if you have more 1s on top, so if you look at this question, which number is higher, the 4 or the 5 or the 2? The 5 is. How about this question? Which number is higher of the 1s, the 7 or the 1? The 7. So if the higher number is on the top, when you're doing subtracting, there's no need to stop. So you just do this question, and it was pretty easy for us, wasn't it? But if there's more numbers on the, or if the higher number is on the floor, so 5 was higher than 0, and 6 was higher than 1. So if the higher number is on the floor, you need to go next door and get some more. So we had to make our trade, didn't we? We had to take one of those 10s and turn it into these little guys, 10 of those, and write it over here. So here's the rhyme again that might help you out. If there's more on top, there's no need to stop. If there's more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. All right, I hope you will have a lovely day today.